Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Stumble Guys account. So let's get straight to it. Launch open Stumble Guys on your device. Once you're in this main homepage, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. Now scroll down and tap the open button right next to privacy. You'll be able to see the delete account button in red. In the pop-up, tap on it and then go through the information. It says that if you continue deleting your account, you will lose all of your data and purchases associated with the account. Go ahead and type in DEL and then tap on delete. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Stumble Guys account. That is how you can easily delete your Stumble Guys account. Remember that the deleted account will not be recovered through any means, so make sure to make a wise choice while deleting the data from your account. That was how you can easily delete Stumble Guys account using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.